People have been utilizing jacks to work on cars and trucks probably since cars and trucks came into existence. The earliest jacks were mechanical devices based on variations of scissors. Today, of course, technicians and DIYers can choose from a wide variety of jacks, and hydraulic jacks are a common sight just about anywhere that people are performing maintenance or repairing a vehicle. The idea behind a hydraulic jack is pretty simple. It's a tool that uses a non-compressible fluid, such as oil, to create hydraulic pressure that multiplies lifting force, allowing someone to raise a 3,000-pound vehicle with relative ease. Hydraulic jacks come in both air-assisted and non-air-assisted versions. An air-assisted hydraulic jack uses air to apply the force to the fluid instead of a manual source of pressure, such as a lever or handle. This multiplies the lifting force by many times, which is especially useful for lifting heavy-duty trucks and other large vehicles. This multiplies the lifting force by many times, which is especially useful for lifting heavy-duty trucks and other large vehicles. Whenever you're working with hydraulic equipment, there's always the possibility of a fluid leak, especially if it's an older piece of equipment. If you have a customer who needs to add oil to their hydraulic jack on a regular basis, it probably has a leak. While they could buy a new jack, you can save them some money by recommending a repair solution such as jack oil with stop leak from Bars Leaks. Bars Leaks jack oil with stop leak is engineered to stop seal and O-ring leaks caused by normal wear and age on hydraulic bottle jacks, floor jacks, lifts and rams, oil-filled shocks, and even snowplows. This formula renews old jacks and light hydraulics and prevents leaks and seepage on new jacks and hydraulics. Bars Leaks jack oil with stop leak is a 100% safe, non-corrosive, non-clogging, and non-foaming repair solution. It mixes with all approved hydraulic jack oils and snowplow fluids, and it works in all floor and bottle jacks. When your customer is using Bars Leaks jack oil with stop leak, they should be sure to fill the jack to the proper level and not to overfill it. They should cycle the jack by lifting and releasing several times to release any air trapped in the system. Most leaks usually stop in a few days in normal use. However, for hard-to-stop leaks, your customer might need a second application. Even if your customer doesn't have a leaky jack in the moment, it's not a bad idea for them to keep a bottle of jack oil with stop leak handy in their garage for the peace of mind that if any leaks occur, they'll be able to get it back up and running quickly and safely. Thanks for watching.